Okay, now I'll teach you how to install the driver and the RIP software for the machine. Before we install the driver, we need to power on the machine as we teach you before. Power on general power switch, and we move the flatbed to the end. Then we click Start to power on the top Epson printer. And now the USB cable is without connect. And when the start button is stop flashing, it means power succeed. Then we find out the USB. We cannot get USB that deliver from focus, and we connect to the printer. And we find out the Volcano Jet support. And first we install the driver. We find out the driver, and please be sure check your system of your computer first. Right click Mac computer and check is 64 or 32 bit. Here is 64 bit and Windows 10. So we must install this 64 bit driver, and we start to install accept and other. Now it will be let you to connect the USB cable with the computer. So we find out the USB cable, and also we must connect the USB cable from the back side of the machine. We connect the USB cable here. Connect where? And then we also connect other end to the computer. And automatic to detect the port and waiting for the driver is install succeed. Then we click OK, and then we go to my computer, printer, and we find out the port we connect installed. So this is the Epson driver, and we find out the print property, and see here all the color is with color. If this all gray with gray color, it means not connect, and it show ready. Then we start to set the driver. Right click, print property, and we click by photo, and then the size we change it to H3 size. And we click advance, continue, and we click off high speed. The apply, click. when we finish the driver, we need to test the machine, the motion. So we move the flatbed to the end to check the test the print is okay or not. So then we go to right click, then we go to maintenance, and we do not check printing to check the motion. We start click print to check the machine if it start working, and we power on the UV light. So it's a motion and it's working well. It's flashing jet. Then back to the tap station. The UV light is off, and there's no yellow light, no yellow coat here. So it means the flatbed, the printer is working well. We click finish. So this is step to how to install the driver. After we install the driver, we need to install the RIP software. We find out the RIP software. Right click, left click. We install the Focus RIP version 8.3.2.6. We find out the Focus RIP install file. And here we must pay attention to before we install the driver, we need to close all the antivirus software. This is the antivirus software. We must remove. Then we need to click next. Next. And finish. After we finish, we need to copy the ICC profile to the RIP. We find out the support USB, and we go to RIP software and ICC replacement file profile. We copy this ICC profile. This for correct the color, the printing color. We copy it, and then we find out the icon, Acro 826W. Right click and find out installation position. And we go to profile, CMYK, and we copy to this folder. And also default and copy to here. After that, we need to connect the USB key. This is the USB. There's nothing on the inside. This is not a USB. It's a lock. It's a key for the RIP software. We connect the RIP software on the computer. Then we open this RIP icon to open the software. This RIP software.